friends, welcome back to my channel Rediscover Education. Today we are going to learn about the square root tricks, the not perfect square numbers, okay, which the numbers which are not perfect square. So it takes a lot of time for a non-perfect square number. It takes means you have to do division method, and all this will take near about 5 minutes time. I am going to show you a trick which will take just 10 to 15 seconds time. So let's start. So what are the numbers which are not perfect square? Like root 8, root 10, root 12, root 47. These are not perfect square. We don't have directly the value of this. So how to find this? Today we will be learning this with a short trick. Okay. So let me show you the formula for this first. Please look at it very carefully. This is the formula. Means we have to break the non-perfect square number in the form of x and y. Let me show you how. Like root 8. We have to break this. Okay. We will break it to the nearest square root. This x has to be the nearest square root. Okay. The nearest square root of 8 is 9. So we can write it as 9 minus 1. Then we will implement in this formula. First is root x, means root 9. Since here we have taken minus, so we have to put a minus. Then y is 1 by 2 into root x, means root 9. Okay, so that means root 9 is 3 minus 1 by 2 into 3. Okay, so which comes near about 3 minus 1 by 6. By LCM subtraction you will get it as 17 by 6, and if we divide this we will get it as nearly 2.83. So the square root of root 8 is 2.83, and this is much more easier than the common division method. I will show you with some more example. Let's do that. So the next example which I am going to show you is root 17. So the nearest square root of this is 16. So I am going to break it as 16 plus 1. Okay. Now we are going to implement again in this formula. So it will be root 16 plus, since it is plus here now, so it's plus 1 by 2 into root 16. Fine. Now it is coming as 4, root 16 value is 4 plus 1 by 2 into root 16 is again 4. So 4 plus 1 by 8, it is nearly 30. So it is 33 by 8, which is approximately 4.12. You can divide it and see it. So therefore the value of root 17 is 4.12. You can see it by calculator, you can see it by anything, the value will come approximately to here only. So let's go to another example. Now let's find the value of root 67. So the nearest perfect square of root 67 is 64. So I am going to break it as 64 plus 3. Okay. Now we are going to implement in this formula. This is root 64. Since we have given here plus, so it will be plus 3 by 2 into root 64. Okay. So this comes to 8 plus 3 by 2 into 8. 8 plus 3 by 16, which is near about 8 plus 0.18 is equal to, now you add this up, it will be 8.18. So root 67 equal to 8.18. Isn't it easy? Now let's do with little bit bigger number, 3-digit number, that is 230. What is the nearest perfect square of 230? It is 225. So we will break it as 225 plus 5. Okay. So we can write it as root 225 plus 5 by 2 into root 225. This is equal to 15 plus 5 by 2 into 15. This 5 and 15 get cancelled, and so 5 plus 1 by 6. Okay. So it is near about 0.16. Therefore 15.16. Therefore root 230 is equal to 15.16. Isn't it interesting, and isn't it easy? So I'm going to give the last example of another 3-digit number of 140. Let's try to find the square root of that number too. Root 140. So the nearest perfect square of 140 is 144. Therefore we can break it as 144 minus 4. Okay. It will come to root 144 minus 4, because y doesn't have anything, y there is no root, we will put as just 4 to root 144. Okay. Therefore it is coming as root 144 is 12 minus 4 by 2 into 12. Okay. So it gets cancelled. 12 minus 1 by 6. So it is 12 minus 0.16, because the value of 1 by 6 is 0.16. It will nearly come about 11.84. So the value of root 140 will be 11.84. So guys, if you like the short tricks of the square root, please give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel, and please share with your friends so that they can also learn from here. And stay tuned for the next part of the square root of the perfect square, the bigger number, larger number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number. Okay. Thank you.